Kumbajulong man lausnem, kata ban lum malang ya barok kisam la pule. Badru ban peniar ya ujeli jong kajing it jing ya teli. Nakaliang kari boy college, student union, kala pelong ke jing lekmen, jong barok kisam la pule. Kabala tip kum ke college week, ya kabala penhap perdano hakash poterik unok pra. Lawan penhap perda ya kane kajing lekmen, dau bak Merrill Bonds MLA kanong pok konstituensi kumu kongsan. Ngai don laru kane kasngi, dau bak bamon, principal kari boy college, kinuhikai lambat ki kena pule jong kane ka college. Bala penpu penpingru ya kane kasngi daki jingruai jing syar, balai sementara daki samla puli jongan ka college. Bala penkuru daki jing sami ki kusnam per cekinong job, haki jing yakop per bala pelong hakane ka college week.
So the lesson it has to be, we have to be the front benches. And whenever, the very important thing in our life as a student, it should be, whenever any question is asked by the teacher, whether we know or we don't know, we have to answer. First, to kill the state frightened, we have to kill that instinct which is there inside us that maybe it is true. From inside we felt that it is true. It is the correct answer. But we hesitate to answer. We know. Maybe in exam you write the correct answer. But you cannot give answer when your teacher will ask you. Whether it is right or wrong, just answer. Time will tell. So dear student, we have to be very, we have to have the mind, we have to look forward from now on when we come to studies and so on. When we come to this kind of gathering, it also reminds us. Where here we have, especially Nongpok is a metropolitan town, where it is where all communities, we live in peace and harmony, unity and diversity. We have the friends, we have the tribal, the non-tribal, the Khasi, the Orhoi, the Maram, from Riwar, from Jaintia, from Garo, Bengali friend, Assamese friend, Bihari friend, so many. In our society, we find nowadays still there is discrimination. And when we remember about discrimination in our society, it reminds me about the famous quote of Martin Luther King Jr. In his famous speech, where he says that all my 4 little children in my country, they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character. So, in our present society, there are so many discrimination in our society. Be it in the school, in college, in society, in church, everywhere. So this form of discrimination, we have to get rid of this. Where all the capacity, all the ability of anybody should not be judged by the color of their skin, as Martin Luther King Jr. has said. But it has to be judged by the content of their character.